Are you a salon owner drowning in appointment books, a fitness instructor juggling client schedules, or a spa manager struggling with inventory? Do you wish there was one magical tool that could simplify all of it, leaving you more time to do what you love? If you've ever felt that chaotic pull between serving your clients and managing the mountain of administrative tasks, then you're in the right place. Because today we're diving deep into an app that promises to be that very magic wand for service-based businesses. Vagaro. You might have heard the name floating around, or perhaps you've even booked an appointment through it as a client. But what is Vagaro, really? Beyond just being another scheduling app, Vagaro is a comprehensive business management platform designed specifically for the beauty, wellness, and fitness industries. Think of it as your all-in-one digital assistant, a central hub that handles everything from appointment booking to marketing, client management, and even payment processing. It's built to take the burden of daily operations off your shoulders, so you can focus on delivering exceptional services and growing your passion. Let's break it down, because understanding Vagaro isn't just about knowing what it does, but how it can fundamentally transform the way you run your business. At its core, Vagaro is an online booking and scheduling powerhouse. For clients, it's incredibly user-friendly. Imagine being able to search for salons, spas, or fitness studios in your local area, browse their services, read reviews, and book an appointment with just a few taps on your phone or tablet. No more phone tag, no more waiting on hold. Clients receive automated email and text reminders, reducing no-shows and ensuring a smooth experience. They can even collect and redeem points toward services and find local deals directly through the app. This seamless booking experience is a huge win for both sides, convenience for the client, and a continuously filled calendar for the business. But Vagaro's functionality for businesses goes far beyond just getting appointments on the books. For salon owners, spa managers, and fitness professionals, it's a robust suite of tools that streamlines almost every aspect of their operations. First up, appointment management. This is where Vagaro truly shines. You get a customizable calendar where you can easily schedule, reschedule, and manage appointments. Whether you're running a bustling salon with multiple stylists or a solo yoga studio, Vagaro's calendar allows for efficient organization. You can manage multiple employee schedules, color-code appointments for quick identification, and even set up recurring bookings. The drag-and-drop interface makes adjustments a breeze, and any changes automatically trigger notifications to your clients, keeping everyone in the loop. Next, client management. This is crucial for building lasting relationships. Vagaro allows you to store detailed client profiles, not just contact information, but also service preferences, allergies, past services, and even upload files like consent forms or progress photos. For wellness professionals, this even extends to features like soap notes for comprehensive client tracking, with HIPAA compliance to protect sensitive information. This wealth of data empowers you to offer truly personalized service, making your clients feel valued and understood. You can track their appointment history, product purchases, gift certificate usage, and even build loyalty programs to reward your most dedicated customers. Then there's payments and point of sale, POS. Vagaro integrates seamlessly with payment processing, allowing you to accept card payments securely at checkout. You can store credit cards on file for easy future bookings, manage auto-renewal of memberships and packages, and even offer pay-later options, similar to services like Klarna or Afterpay, making higher-ticket services more accessible to your clients. The POS system is designed for a smooth checkout experience, with features like dual-screen setups for transparency. This means less time spent on administrative payment tasks and more time focused on your clients. Marketing tools are another huge advantage. Attracting new clients and retaining existing ones is vital, and Vagaro helps you do just that. You can create and manage email and text marketing campaigns, send automated birthday greetings or promotional offers, and even design daily deals and discounts. The platform allows you to automate marketing efforts, reaching clients at scale without individual effort. Businesses can also boost their brand's reach by listing their services on the Vagaro marketplace, increasing visibility to potential new clients who are actively searching for services in their area. Some plans even offer a branded website and app creation, giving your business a professional online presence that's fully integrated with your booking and management system. For businesses with employees, employee management features are a lifesaver. You can manage staff within the platform, setting up their individual schedules, assigning services, and even running payroll in minutes. Create custom commission tiers, track employee hours, and simplify your human resources management, all from one dashboard. And let's not forget inventory management. For salons and spas that sell products, Vagaro provides tools to track stock levels in real time, helping you avoid running out of popular items and ensuring you're always prepared. This feature gives businesses a powerful tool to control and track inventory efficiently, contributing directly to your bottom line. Finally, reporting and analytics. Vagaro offers comprehensive reports that provide valuable insights into your business performance. You can track payroll, appointment trends, client retention rates, sales data, and more. This data empowers you to make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and strategically grow your business. It even integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, simplifying your financial management and tax preparation. So, whether you're a massage therapist just starting out, a thriving nail salon looking to streamline operations, or a large fitness studio managing hundreds of members, Vagaro offers scalable solutions. It aims to reduce administrative burdens, enhance the client experience, and ultimately, help your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.